You're looking for a dusk to dawn lantern, a 2-pack, hang up by your garage at your front door, French doors, double doors, and more. And what we're going to show you is what this product is all about. 17-inch dusk to dawn 2-pack from SNRU with the tempered glass and black. We're going to open up the product, show you nicely how they are packaged, and install one or two outside in different areas. Right on top is your instruction guide. Please be careful when opening up with the knife. And protected by styrofoam, we're going to pull out the unit. They take a maximum of a 60-watt light bulb, and they come protected by plastic. On the front is your photocell dusk to dawn sensor, with screws on the side holding in the bracket, and a maximum of a 60-watt bulb to place in. Assembly for putting on some of the pieces. They have a screw and a bell house nut. Bulbs are not included, 2 60-watt bulbs, and they can simply be placed in by grabbing the unit and sliding in and screwing on. The design goes on over here. The bell house nut, washer, and bolt needs to come off, as well as the side screws, one on each side, with an optional drill and Phillips bit. When removing, hold the back plate so it does not fall. In the back, you have your supplied material tied up, your 3 wire nuts, and 2 bolts for your light fixture. Your ground, load, and neutral protected by a rubber coating. When hooking up the top ornament, please bring it through and place the screw on correctly. And on and over. And lock down for the reasons of, if we put it on incorrectly shown, the unit's going to rotate and not look like it's hanging. We want to make sure this is tight. And we want to lock it down in the back by holding up and secure it down the best you can. We're demonstrating the lantern all set up. And we have a bulb on and the unit will light up. What we'll demonstrate is taking a light and shining on dusk to dawn. As it gets dark, the light triggers on. Let's go hang one up outside and put this outside as well to show you what it looks like in the evening hours. Lights by doorways, double doorways, French doors, garage doors, front of the house, back of the house, side of the house, anywhere on the business or residential, by the RV, and so forth. We're going to be hanging our unit up over here. We have a light box, and we're going to remove the bolts. With the packaging, we remove the 2 new bolts, place over the leads, match up, find the proper holes, and secure it down and level with the 2 holes here. So what we have here is we have a ground lead that we're going to hook up to hands-free. We wrap around the ground when we put in the bolt, if the bolt's not in the frame. Screw down and lock down. As we have our unit hung and we take our wire nuts that we have on, we also are given wire nuts, and we hook up load for load, neutral for neutral, and we're able to put the wires in the box and lock things down and cover up. Each of the screws got the O-ring washer made of rubber. Secure it down both sides. We're all hooked up. As we cover the photocell sensor, the light comes on and ready for the evening use. We're going to show you what it looks like in the evening hours and demonstrate what the product is about. The evening hours, maximum light bulb, 60-watt LED for outdoors. Tempered glass, photocell, dusk to dawn. All year round, has an opening bottom, 4 glass windows of black metal with a design on top that resembles a lantern. This is a dusk to dawn, showing you when it's light outside and the light starts to go down. It will go on, instantaneous. As it gets bright, as the light starts to get to the photocell that's located on top, it goes off, and the photocell's over here. It's glass all around, an opening to change the light bulb, tempered glass, metal. They come in a set of 2. Do check online for the make and model and the sizes you're after. Enjoy your product of your lighting needs for outdoors if this is right for you. And thank you for viewing.